That is not good. And that led to this. So it's back to the drawing board so that we can lay that hitch receiver on a bigger plate. All right, so we brought in the trailer, 24-foot trailer. It's a tilt trailer. We welded a receiver for a hitch so that we could put the winch on there, and Efren's Montero just tore it up. So we're back here. We got it in the shop. We're gonna cut it out and we're gonna really set it on right. We're gonna put some metal on there. Efren's got an idea how we're gonna do this. So I'm glad that it happened here at Efren's ranch and not somewhere else. So we're gonna try to fix it. We're gonna go through the process. We're gonna let you guys know what we're doing, and hopefully you guys can do the same thing if you have a tilt trailer like us and you wanna set up a winch on it.
This is kind of like the center of the I-beam, right? So we can cut here and remove these two pieces, y ahí queda, right? And we can put the plate there. That should be enough, dude, I think. Yeah, this really, we have to...
On the plate.
We have to take it off, and this is gonna sit right here.
Yeah, and so this needs to be on the plate.
The weld's gonna be all bulky.
So then this opening is gonna be right at the edge.
Yeah.
I'm fine with that, bro. Remember, it wasn't just any car that did that. It was the Mitsubishi Montero.
Completely flat.
Bro, we had a hard time putting on your truck. Oh, you're on. That winch looked like it was about to fall off.
He's good.
Tank, bro. Caesar!
Did it go or no?
Oh, you're not doing nothing with that. Is that the biggest hammer we got?
Yes, that's what he said. That's what I told you. No se movió?
Put some weight behind that, Caesar.
Light.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, what is up with these lizards?
There you go.
Yeah, we just re-welded it.
That's it. Make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notifications. It means the world to us. We're gonna come and check, see what we got as far as material goes. Just cut it. Oh, there it is. Right. That's it, man. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Yep. That's all we need, right?
Maybe it was this, what I saw already.
I want to weld on this side.
I see.
If I could weld up here, it'd be a stronger weld.
So you want to see if we can take those off?
If we take these two, really, we can lift it.
Yeah.
And I can weld under here, and it'll give us. It might be overkill, really, but I'd rather it have overkill than.
No, dude. We're dealing with heavy cars and heavy trucks, man. We should. I mean, this winch is capable. Is the platform capable?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Caesar. Hold on, bro. Let me take these off real quick. I'm going real easy. I don't want to break these bolts, so I'm taking it very easy. Surgical, bro. Look at that. Nice. Caesar, get that crowbar we have over there.
There's some beams there.
It's gonna break, bro. You put too much pressure on this.
You're not a very forgiving.
Shut up. It's gonna hit over here.
Oh!
Man, snap, bro.
There you go. It's almost there. Come on, guys. You can do it. I believe in you. Oh! Ephraim's gonna channel a platform here, and he's gonna go a little bit higher than this. So it's gonna come up and it's gonna head this way, and it's gonna be maybe a 1/4 inch away from the edge right here, so we can just lay down a nice bead weld. And he's gonna leave probably about a 1/2 inch here, just so that the wood can sit there. But yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. And then we're just gonna put the receiver here, the hitch receiver, and we should be good to go. Caesar's gonna clean up this hitch. We're gonna use it again. Nothing wrong with it. So this one's made to cut metal?
Dude, they cut the 1 inch out.
Yeah, it's impressive, man.
Nothing really.
Oh, there it goes. You're ready?
It doesn't get that hot.
No, it doesn't. Really cool.
Pretty neat, right?
Yeah, man. Hey.
Doesn't even get hot. I mean, it's just warm, you know, not...
No, but not like using a grinder.
No,
Caesar, trying to film over here. You're showering us with sparks. He can turn that vise, you know? Like turn it that way.
That's true, bro. Why do you have it towards us when we're trying to do this?
Hey, I was here first, bro.
This is gonna go like this, but we need to clear up here. Remember, this is 1 1/2, Rennie?
Yes.
So I went 1 3/4.
Ooh, perfect, dude.
Yeah, that'll be
It's
good
gonna be
right
right
there.
on it,
Yep.
man.
I'm gonna weld just here, Rennie, because the plate's gonna sit here.
What about in here?
I don't need to.
Oh, okay.
Remember, that's why we took the wood off, Rennie, because if not, I would have had a weld in here.
Weld it
All
out
we
here.
need is one side, bro. I ain't
Okay.
gonna go nowhere, bro.
So you're gonna create the box out here, and then
then
we'll
cut, yeah.
weld it. Yeah. It shouldn't move.
No way, bro. Especially if we come up to here.
Oh, yeah,
there's
man.
No way.
Hey, you kidding me? Playing tricks on me?
Caesar, that's your fault. Why do you
Oh
go
my
so
God.
heavy? Did you get it?
No. Hold
Oh
on.
man, here, you want me to do it?
Hold on, bro.
Here, let me do it.
Let me take these out.
What? You need gloves.
Desespero.
Hi, Caesar.
Man!
Are those steel toes?
Yeah.
I can't find steel toe, bro. I don't want it to break off. Here we go.
Yeah, so we want that plate even, right? As much as we
Dude,
can.
that looks really good there, Ernie.
All right, so we're adding a 1/2 inch square to the bottom of the hitch, just so that it can create some clearance for the back part of the trailer back here. And we'll show you guys in a little bit what we're doing.
Right. No.
You want to try it out or what?
No, not on something that's important.
You're making fun of him. This is air conditioning.
Nice. Step on it, Caesar?
Oh no, we got put it
We're
in.
good?
I think so. Really.
That gives us about a half an inch for.
Oh, no, that's way.
Yeah.
I think that's more than we had before.
Yeah. Alright, so there it is. Oh, you welded a lot, bro. I'm sweating and I was just watching.
It's a little short, Sean.
Looks short.
You told me to cut it there.
That's a lot short. Oh no, it comes up.
No, it needs to come up. Yeah.
There you go.
This is a nice saw, dude.
That looks really good.
Yeah.
That's
Bells
by
on the
eye.
line, to line.
That looks really nice. That looks factory, man. Better than factory.
Me quedé aquí 8 cuartos.
You moved it.
Dude, you just told me to do it there.
Straight. You're going crooked.
Te vato. Let me see. Hasta pa' acá, bro.
Yeah, you moved it. Stop moving around. Right there. Straight.
Straight.
There you go.
He moved it.
What?
He moved it. No, just pry it, Caesar. Just pry it.
Move. Get away.
Shut up.
We had to test the hitch. So Efren got his truck, pulled out the trailer, and we decided to test the hitch with the very vehicle that actually broke it. Efren's Mitsubishi Montero. You okay, John? All right, there is free. You just need to. Es que it's stuck, so yeah. Whoa,
I know. I just messing with you.
Got it.
When he goes back, we have to pick it up on. Drop that right now. Now it's gonna be over. Perfect. Nice, dude. Didn't even bend this at all.
Nothing, man. That thing's on, bro.
Now we need to remember.
This thing worked the way it's supposed to. Nice. Done. So we're done with the trailer. Everything looks well. The platform, Efren did a real good design and it works great. It looks good, solid. The winch goes in there without any hesitation or rubbing on the wood. So super happy about it. Can't wait to try it out.
Hey, I was here first, bro.
Caesar.
So don't act stupid. Start putting the other one on. Hurry up. You ain't got all day. Let's go. Dude, you just told me to do it there. Te vato. Shut up.